Hope everybody's doing well. See, for my weekly vlog, I think this is my 5th week. This is where I am. I've spent about 2-3 hours here. Of course, you can hear the farmer close to the actual airport. Hear all these birds. I've heard deer down there. And if I say for example you sit quiet enough, you can hear every single little thing moving. I can hear something down there. On my way up here, I heard people, clearly I've seen people, but I heard people also. But where I'm actually situated, which is just down there, absolutely beautiful. So my vlog is about this week about nature, getting out. Even if you've got, like say, a pack like this, that's the rocket pouches, okay, from my British Army Bergen, my spare ones. So getting out here and seeing this, absolutely beautiful. Wow. So until the next time, guys, get out and enjoy this.